In this video, I will show you simple editing tricks so that you can make your ordinary picture awesome, like this. If you want to create this kind of editing, watch the video till the end, follow all the instructions, and by the end of the video, you will get awesome pictures. Let's start.
Open PicsArt Premium app from your phone. Then tap on the plus icon from the bottom and open the image which you want to edit as background. You can download these backgrounds from Google. If you face any problem to download this kind of images, you can comment below so that I can help you to download the background images. Now scroll down from the bottom menu and tap on Add Photo. And add the photo which you want to edit. Hold and slide this photo to adjust the right position. Then click on Remove BG, then Remove Background. This app will remove the background of your photo and then adjust the photo. Now click the tick mark from the top right corner. Slide the bottom menu and select Retouch to retouch this image. Tap the tick mark and again from the bottom select the Tools section and then select Adjust. From here you can retouch the photo. You can increase or decrease the brightness, contrast, clarity, saturation, hue, highlights, shadow or others. When you are satisfied with this, you can click the tick mark from the top right corner and save your image. If you want to do more color correction, then you can use Lightroom Premium app to do this. If you don't have the Lightroom Premium apps and the PicsArt Premium apps, at the end of this video I will give you the instructions so that you can download these apps for free. Now let's open Lightroom. Open the image. Click the masking tool and tap the blue plus icon and tap on Select Subject. This app will automatically select the subject of your photo. When the subject is selected, then you can retouch the image from the bottom menu, Light, I think it's done. You can tap and hold to see before and after effect of this photo. When you are satisfied with this, click on the share icon and save to device. This photo will be saved in your device. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can create any ordinary photo into a masterpiece. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.